What's up, family? Welcome to Online Coach in 30. This is the ultimate system to help get your expertise online faster. So if you have a passion, if you have a skill set, if you have an expertise, let's make it now profitable and help you start generating income by packaging this into a well-delivered output that you can give to clients, that you can sell online. When people ask you for help in what you do, you can tell them to click the link in your bio, because you have a system that will, 1, intake leads, 2, deliver the products, and 3, be able to sell and educate on what you're passionate about and what you have your expertise in. So ultimately, guys, I want to help you start selling online faster, if that's okay with you. So my big promise to you guys is to give you a passion to profit system that by the end of this free quick training, guys, that I'll be able to transform your coaching business with just 4 pages, guys. That's all it takes. And when I say 4 pages, that's what I mean. So all I need from you is your skill set, a strong headline, 1 video, and a calendar. Does that sound difficult? If not, then you can do that. And what we can put together for you is the ultimate VSL. Who knows what that stands for? I'll wait. So that stands for the video sales letter. And literally my favorite funnel that helped me spend $22,000 in ads and bring back $142,000 in sales in 1 month. And I've continually scaled my business by doing this funnel right here that I want to help you with today. And guys, everyone can do this. When I mean everyone, anybody regular, but let me show you some of my top clients this year that we installed this system with, and they walked across the ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club Award stage. 1, Dion Coopwood, the credit repair industry. 2, Justin Phillips, Shopify e-com industry. Will Rivera, the 10x $10 million award, Amazon e-com industry. Carter and George, tax and financial services. David Amari, YouTube automation. And my guy Tyjon with Instagram theme pages. And then this plan has worked so well that even a top podcaster like David Shands is saying, hey, let me give it a try to see if we can scale my morning meetup community 10x to what it is now. So my question is, are you ready to learn how simple this setup is and how you can get started like today? Because we need you online and coaching in what? 30 days, exactly. So it starts with simple opt-in page where you're going to give away a free lead magnet, get people to download, give you their name, phone number, and email. And the reason why you want to do this is because so many people right now are sending people straight to a landing page when they're not collecting the data. One of the most important parts of the funnel that I'm going to be helping with you guys today. The next page is all about education and the messaging in the headlines. And that's something that we help you with through the materials that we'll provide with you. So in this video, guys, that you see right here, I'm educating people on the power of sales funnels. But let's take a look and zoom in on the brain of this VSL and how it functions. It is the application that makes it so you do not waste time, qualifies leads, and get them to book calls on your calendar for high ticket sales. But this also can work for courses as well, which I will show you later. So once a lead is qualified, they now land on your calendar so that they can book a call with your sales team. Sales teams love this, guys. And then ultimately, there's a preparation page, which is the thank you page, to let them know that they're booked and also to lead them to a community like I have right here to join the free Facebook group and give instructions on what's next. But do you really want to know what the best part about the VSL and the Online and Coach 30-day system? Let me tell you. You're not wasting time with unqualified leads getting on your calendar, booking calls, saying that they didn't understand what this call was for, because that's why that type form is so important. So now that you just have qualified leads talking to you because they're interested in what you are selling. Sounds great, right? And you want to know what's even better? Who remembers this guy or seen this guy on YouTube before, right? He's pretty popular. They call him Alex Hermosi, and I'm sure you know that. But he released this book called $100 Million Leads, which I have literally right behind me. So it's all about leads, guys. So the way that we set this up and give you your sub account in our bizlaunch.io CRM, you will now have a place where all of your leads are being organized, they're being followed up with, they can be reached out to, and we even can upgrade and give you AI that can respond to it. But we'll talk about that later. But what's so great about our CRM, because some people may say, hey, that's just Go High Level. And yes, it is Go High Level. But with our system that you're going to get, the Online Coaching 30, it's pre-built with the Online Coaching 30 automations to follow up with leads at a personalized basis, give you email nurture sequences, appointment calendar follow-up, and reminders from 24 hours, 5 hours, 1 hour, 5 minutes, and we're about to jump on the call because we want to eradicate no-shows so that your sales team is not missing out on losing time or you're not wasting time. We also give you email sequences that look like this. But hey, I'm not going to show you everything because it's inside the package. But let me tell you why I love this funnel so much compared to a webinar funnel. So usually a webinar, you have to be very active and show up. But with this funnel, you literally can, it works for you when you're on vacation, when you're not feeling good, or you're asleep. But guess what, guys? How many people in here have ran a webinar and maybe not got the results that they wanted, or they just felt like they spent so much money? Well, this is cheaper than a webinar. And when I say cheaper, I mean like 10% cheaper, 10 times cheaper, excuse me. And the reason why I say it's 10x cheaper is because with the webinar, let's use simple math, $5 per cost per lead. Let's just use, say you want 20 people in the room. It's going to cost you $500 because that would be 100 leads at 20% of those show up. That's 20 people in the room. And hopefully you close 5 to 10%, meaning you would close about 2 people. So depending on your product, let's look at just that. And then when you scale, the numbers get even wonkier. But with this model, you're giving people education of your topic on demand, and they're booking calls same day and next day, and you're closing deals. Does that sound like what you want to do? So you may be saying, Tony, how can you do this in under 30 days? Please let me know. And that's why I'm glad to tell you. This is Online Coaching 30, the ultimate system to help you start selling online faster. And success loves speed, right? So since success loves speed, we've put together a plug-and-play coaching system that I built from working over 365 days with all of these clients that walked the 2 Comma Club stage and did at least, not more, not just that, but at least $1 million. And you guys see the $10 million plaques in here as well. So these programs, this system that I'm going to be giving you guys today, it's true, tried, and tested on my clients, and I've packaged it to give you guys the same system in a DIY model. So now you may be saying, what's included, Tony? Great question. You're going to get 2 plug-and-play templates, one for courses, one for high-ticket sales. You probably should use both of them, to be honest, because your sales are going to be like your weekly recurring money, but then you need high-ticket to sell the $2,000, the $3,000, the $5,000, the $10,000 services that you'll be offering. And I can't wait to see you get there. But then you may be saying, but Tony, I don't yet have my course built yet. I need help building my course. And that's fine because I've got you covered. I've thought about this already. I'm telling you, I've given you the same system that I used on my client. That's the AI Course Builder. The AI Course Builder is going to give you lead magnets, VSL slides, help you build your course, hooks and headlines to using your copy and to using your social media to get more engagement for your content. We're giving you sales scripts for your sales team, or if you're taking your own call, course outline and roadmap. And there's really so much more, but I only have so much room on the slides. Now, I always preach this. The fortune is in the follow-up. You're about to be getting all of these leads coming through, but they're not going to buy the first time. So we're giving you plug-and-play email nurture templates to plug into this CRM that I'm about to show you. So when a lead opts in, you're following up with them on autopilot because you're going to be busy. You're running a life. You have a family, whatever it may be. We need to give you a system that's going to be on autopilot. And that's exactly what Online Coaching 30 is. So how do I manage all of this, Tony? Perfect. That's the BizLaunch CRM that I've talked to you guys about. It has been perfectly formulated for a coaching business with the sequences, the nurture, the follow-up, and then has the opportunity to add on the AI chatbots to follow up for you and add on continuous amounts of automation. So this system right here will house your entire coaching business, all the softwares you need, all in one system. So now you don't have to go out and get Calendly. You don't have to get Typeform. You don't have to get HubSpot. You don't have to get this and pay all of this money. It's all in one system built specifically for coaches. Now you may say, I don't want to do this alone, Tony. So how can I network? How can I reach out to people? And how can I even talk to you? Perfect. Anyone that signs on today is going to get inside of our private community built on the school platform where we'll have online trainings. We'll talk about what's going on in the coaching world, giving you tips, tricks of what's working, new plays of how to scale your business. And that alone should be valued at way more than $997 because I'm going to be giving you the information that I'm using on my $10,000 and $12,000 clients. And you'll be getting that information in our private community to implement into your business. Next, how are you going to get traffic, right? So we're going to give you the content scheduler. So how to get traffic. You need traffic to get the leads, but sometimes it's so difficult to literally open up your phone on Instagram, plug in, your post for the day. Sometimes it can be overwhelming, right? But the way that we do this is give you a content scheduler so that you can perform your own posts by scheduling them out, by taking one Sunday and just flooding your list with content. And that's what you need to get leads. Now, Tony, I'm not a funnel builder. I've never set up automations. It's a plug and play system, guys. But what we are giving you guys is a self-paced course that literally you can follow me walking through each funnel, teaching you how to set up each funnel, how to set up the automations, how to add your domains, how to get it set up completely DIY, simple, that literally if you sign on today, you should be online and coaching in the next 30 days or not sooner. So you're probably wondering how much this costs, because I heard you say, Tony, that your clients are $10,000, $12,000. And normally a system like this, complete system, would be $24.97, and then the hosting fee would be $97 a month, which you guys can see is the ClickFunnels cost and the Go High Level cost, not my cost. So my thing is, I don't really have to charge you guys because my ultimate goal is using this as a program to make you one of my forever clients. But right now, you're not really set up to be a forever client because you need to build out your coaching program. So I'm giving you guys this for not $24.97, but literally all the materials that you need. Are you ready for this? I really can't believe I'm doing this because my sales team, my whole team is probably like, why? But I understand that we need to get you to the next level. So you're getting all the materials in the Online in 30 system completely free. And all you have to do is pay Go High Level's price. Not my price, not ClickFunnels price, literally just the GHL price, unless you're using ClickFunnels. But ultimately what I'm saying, guys, is as long as you pay for your support and your hosting, you get all of these materials free. You get the courses, the softwares, the emails, the funnel templates, the AI course builder, the school community, because the ultimate goal is to get you to the next level, to become a forever client of BizLaunch. But this is a preparation to help you get there much faster in the next 30 days. So you may be saying, why $97 a month, Tony? What's the gimmick? There's actually no gimmick. Like I said, these are built-in prices from Go High Level that you would have to pay whether you use me, yourself, or anybody else. But let's break down the price to run a traditional coaching business. Normally, that would break down to over $1,400 a month when you look at all the softwares you need to power a successful coaching business. But we've been able to make Online Coaching 30 so that you can have all of these softwares, the functionality of them, I should say, for only $97 a month. Let me show you how. So when you look at a software like this, you see HubSpot, $99, ClickFunnels, $297, website builder like Wix or WordPress, $29 plus a month, Typeform for surveys, Jotform, $49, and the list continues. So that's $1,400 a month, but we're able to give you all of this functionality all in one place, not jumping around to all these different softwares and your team becomes overwhelmed because all the logins and trying to figure out how to use all these softwares literally for $97. But I do have a special bonus for anyone that does want to join today. For anyone that does want to join today, your CRM will be included with 24/7 live support with email chat and Zoom support in your funnel system to answer any questions or tech problems that you have with your funnels, or when issues arise and you need to make sure that your system is continuously making you money. Our team will be able to go in there and fix it. But that's only for people that sign up before this special offer ends, and their account will be tagged with the support system, so you'll have access to that. And then as a fast action bonus, anyone that also decides to sign up today will also be tagged with their account with the Online Coaching 30 weekly training, where you'll be able to show up and get trained by me and my team members on how to set this funnel up, ask us questions and answers, and then just overall get coached on how to start coaching in the next 30 days. So this value right here, over $997, just for the weekly coaching for the hour that we're going to be spending with you guys every single week. You can jump on any calls that you want. They're not mandatory, but they will help you get set up faster, and these will all be hosted on Zoom. So now it's time to execute, guys. Click the button below to get access for literally only $97 a month. You'll get all the materials that I showed you for free. That is the coaching program, the emails, the sales scripts, the VSL scripts, the hooks and headlines for your funnels, for your social media, the lead magnet builders, the course framework, the 2 VSL templates that I use in my business and my clients, the private school community, and so much more, guys. And a lot of this is powered by AI, so it makes it even simpler. So as long as you have an idea and you can input it, this system can build it out for you. And I'm talking about, guys, we need to have you coaching fast. I mean, like 30 days faster than you already had planned. So the job is easy. Click the button below. Get instant access. You'll get an email with all of your onboarding links of how to onboard and get into this system. You'll be enrolled into the school community. You'll get access to the documents so that you can start coaching in the next 30 days, guys. So look at this entire package for literally $97 a month. And guess what the best part about it is, guys? It's a month-to-month service. And in the month-to-month service, if you don't want it anymore, you literally can cancel. And then if you cancel within the first 7 days, you will get your $97 back. But I really don't know why that would even make sense for literally all the stuff that you're getting. But guys, it's super simple. The arrows are pointing to the button right now. Enrollment is opening. And I want to thank you for listening, but you know what to do. It is now time to execute. And I cannot wait to see your coaching offer in the next 30 days.